In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Verizon Fios Wi-Fi. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so fix number one is to restart your router. So unplug the power cable from the back of your Fios router, wait 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Wait for the router's light to stabilize. This can take up to 5 minutes, so be patient on this. Fix number two, check for outages. So you can visit the Verizon's outage center to see if there's a service disruption in your area. Fix number three, reposition your router. So place your router in a central elevator location. Avoid walls, metal objects, or electronic interference from microwaves and cordless phones. Fix number four, forget and reconnect to Wi-Fi. So on your device, go to Wi-Fi settings, forget your Fios network, then reconnect using the correct password, usually found on a sticker on the router. Fix number five, use Ethernet to test connection. So if you've got an Ethernet cable, plug that to your device directly into the router. If Ethernet works but Wi-Fi doesn't, the issue is likely wireless specific. Fix number six, reset your router to factory settings. So locate the reset button. It's usually a small pinhole. Hold it for 15 seconds using a paper clip. This will restore default settings. You'll need to reconfigure the Wi-Fi name and password after this. Fix number seven, update router firmware. So we can log into your router settings at myfiosgateway.com or at this number. Check for firmware updates and under the system setting or administration section. Fix number eight, if all else fails, contact Verizon support. So you can call them at this number or you can use the MyFios app for troubleshooting tools and even live chat.